So we will be making in 1 glass. So this OBH comes together with 2 glasses and 1 600 ml like this. So you just need to take it out and comes together with this. Here like that, then you just put it here and then you're ready to go. Then you can start to use. I have here cottage cheese. I have here, you can choose to put yogurt or milk. You can put also almond milk if you want. But for today, I will be using this one. I'm using this one today because it's same flavor as what I am making today. It's banana, mango, and apple. So you can choose if you would like to put yogurt or you can put milk. It's up to you. Here. So this is lock and open. Just open it up. Mango smoothie. Here is another easy recipe for making smoothie. As I said earlier, you can use any kind of milk plus cottage cheese. I'm always putting cottage cheese in my smoothie because I think it's adding extra flavor, plus it's a good source of protein. It's very important when you're making smoothie that you use frozen fruits or berries, so you don't need to put ice, and it's like much better result when you are using frozen fruits or vegetable fruits or berries. In this smoothie that I am making, I forgot to put half sliced banana. So I think it's good if you're making like frozen berries. You need to put half sliced banana to get your sweetness. I think it's much better than to put sugar in your smoothie, and it's more healthier as well.